Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the full Figma to Drupal workflow, step by step. All you need is a student or business Figma account, GitHub Copilot running inside Visual Studio Code, and my Copilot instructions file, which you can find on GitHub. Alright, let's get started. We'll start with an empty folder inside Visual Studio Code. Here we are going to configure DDEV to work with the Drupal project. Once that's done, we'll install the Drupal demo project using Composer. This might take a little time. When the demo site is ready, we'll log into Canvas using these drush commands. After that, you'll see a link that takes you directly to your Canvas website. Next, let's go to Figma. Create a new design file. I'm using the Sprout plugin to quickly generate a component. For this demo, I'll use a pricing table component. Now click on the Figma logo, go to Preferences and select Enable MCP Server. Just click Add and it will automatically generate an mcp.json file. I'll show you that in a moment. Now let's check if Copilot can access the Figma MCP server. Here you can see the automatically created mcp.json file. It includes the URL for the MCP connection. It looks like everything is working. We just generated a screenshot of our component and it matches perfectly. The next step is adding the Copilot instructions. Create a GitHub folder inside your project and paste the instructions file inside. This file tells Copilot exactly how to handle the workflow. Now let's go to Drupal Canvas. Go to Components, click New and choose a name. I'll call this one Pricing Table. As you can see, the component is still empty. Now we have to give Copilot the dev link from our Figma component and the name we gave our component in Canvas. So let's do that. First, Copilot exports the YAML file so we can view it inside VS Code. Then it looks for the file named pricingtable.yaml and starts writing the code from your Figma component directly into it. The Copilot instructions file is quite large. I've been working on it for a while. And for now it works well for me, though sometimes you might still see a few small errors. You can always modify the instructions to better fit your own setup. When the YAML file is ready, Copilot automatically imports it back into Canvas. The component is now fully created and working inside the Drupal Canvas. You can even tweak the properties directly in the UI, which makes it super flexible. And that's the full setup. If you have any questions or feedback, I'd love to hear it. Just leave a comment below. You can also find links to my Drupal.org profile, my LinkedIn, and the GitHub repository with the instructions file. Thanks for watching and have fun experimenting with the Figma to Drupal workflow.